Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Glad to embark. Are you looking to be partially fulfilled? Or are you looking to be the best version of you standing in the midst of your dreams? Many people settle for less and they get tired of searching. So they give in before their breakthrough and allow the tide to take over. Claim what's destined to be. Steadfastly persist. And when the season calls you, you will know, and you will be glad you persevered and embarked. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And I believe this poem with all my heart and soul. I believe you can have anything you desire. I believe all your dreams can come true. I don't think there's limits on anything. But I think for those things to come true, it has to be from your heart. Truly from the heart and soul, I believe. That's when I believe if you follow those doors that are opening for you, don't question the things, just go with it. I believe you'll always be happy. Out of love is what I mean. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.